Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and preparing recovery. This prevents lockouts. Boot to Windows, unlock UEFI/BIOS if needed, and download the latest Nvidia driver and the tool. Disable fast startup temporarily and create a restore point or system image so you can roll back. Once done, move the downloaded driver and the to an external folder for quick access. You are preparing safe conditions. This reduces risk and streamlines the next removal steps. Boot into safe mode to avoid driver conflicts. Use WinRe if secure boot blocks removal. Run the, choose GPU, then Intel, and perform a clean and restart. This removes Intel HD drivers and leaves the system ready. Once done, reboot into normal Windows and run the Nvidia installer offline, choosing Custom Clean Install to ensure no legacy files remain. Make sure to monitor for errors during installation. If the installer reports missing components, reinstall. After Nvidia installs, open Nvidia Control Panel and set preferred GPU for global and per app use, then confirm Windows display settings show the discrete adapter. Once done, re-enable Secure Boot if you disabled it, and run a basic graphics test or benchmark to validate stability. If you encounter a blank screen or driver failure, boot safe mode, use your restore point, or run the again to clean and reinstall drivers. This troubleshooting step recovers the system quickly and prevents prolonged downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.